guys, channel to my welcome. Welcome to my channel. Name is Dawan. I hope you watch this video. It might not be fun, but just try to watch it. Okay, and enjoy it. Guys, so we have today we're gonna play a game. Not Squid Game. That's too dangerous. But we're going to play some other game, a little bit more less dangerous. We have here two very tough opponents and very competitive. We have Marak, we have Edamiki Shylla, behind we have Brendon, and we have versatile, also known as Cozy. We'll play this game, and in this game you guys will be put on the spot for 30 seconds. You'll have to basically, it's called a 30-second game. You have to name things under 30 seconds. So if I were to ask Andrew to name number of football teams, he says 6, you either call him a liar and he has to name 6 teams under 30 seconds. Or you say 7 and you keep on going until someone thinks that someone's a liar. So if he can't name 6 teams in 30 seconds, you get 1 point. If he can, but if you could do that, then you don't get any point, he gets 1 point. So it will be a best of 5. Cool. Sure. Yeah, you guys are ready? It might be you asking questions sama I ask lah ya kan. Because I'm very smart. Okay, first question. Names of Khasi girls. How many can you name in 30 seconds?
7.
What?
8 maybe.
8.
9. Bit of a stretch.
Oof.
So okay, let's do it. Let's see if we can name 9.
If you can name 9, then you know you are definitely a ladies man. Khasi ladies man.
Or as they say, Pia.
It's long. We have a timer here. Andrew has been put on the spot. Random Khasi girl's name. If your name is here, any Khasi girl watching this video, you better share this now. He's calling you out. Ready? In 1, 2, 3, go.
Ibaun.
1.
Wanda.
2. Lalu.
Oh no.
Rafi. 3.
Okay. Hey,
This is the thing.
you have classmates, bro. Think of your classmates.
Shouldn't be having him.
Oh.
Control the guys.
No, that's Wow.
Bro, 25.
Oh no.
So he's not bad, he's a ladies man, he's a definite keeper, very low-key, cool guy, right bullet, so you check him on Instagram. Second question. So, Eda 1 point mah. Remember
Okay.
So now it's getting tough. Name of places that start with Mao. 30 seconds. This is tough.
Mao.
You can go for a big number immediately or go with a small number and play mind games with it.
5. No, that has Mao in the word.
Yeah,
that's
Mao in it.
That starts with Mao.
Maybe ends with Mao, so but it has to have Mao.
Yeah, I think 4 to 5. Yeah.
So, you know?
6.
Oh,
I lose direction.
6. See?
Oh, Lord.
I may not be a ladies man,
I've been places, I've seen so yeah, I can one of really want to try 7.
7. You?
Oh. Let's see.
He's a liar, so call him a liar. Eda, you're a liar, nobody believes you. 7 Mao places in 30 seconds. It's crazy. We're gonna do it now. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go Eda.
Mau Lai, Mau Phân Lươn, Mau Dian Dian, Nông Rừng Mau, Maoyong, Mausma,
6. One more, come on, 10 seconds.
I am out of mouse. I
Oh,
am out of mouse. No, I didn't say.
and 5, 6.
I am.
And do 1 point for top game, 1-1. Oh, guys, comment below who you think is gonna win. It's a tough game.
It's harder than it looks. Please don't.
This one, this next question, I'm super excited for this.
Okay.
Super random. Super duper random. Things you can find in a Jado store. It can be a name, a place, animal, a thing, a food, anything you can find in Jado store.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
How many can you name, Andrew? In 30 seconds. You guys should.
Have to leave in Khasi or
It
English?
doesn't matter, English, Khasi, whatever, but it has to be a Jado store because we'll know if you're lying. I eat a lot of food, I go to a lot of Jado stores, but I don't like food at home. Eat! Oh, it's a big number. No, but it's kind of easy.
Even I eat a lot of that stuff.
Hey, bro. Food enthusiast, bro.
Wow. Okay, let's see if we can do that.
Oh, that's why you're a liar. Eat things that you can find in a Jado store. Anything. 3, 2, 1,
What's
go.
not my favorite? Dog. Knet. Dog Shan. Dog Jem. Dog Sian. Dog Snian. Dog Thak.
Oh my. All the dogs.
Dog Thak Snian. Bila. Done. Oh, it's good. Oh, crazy.
I
Under 24 seconds, they didn't think it through.
Yeah, man. I mean, I would have been like a yeah.
From Jungle Shark, Kamyao.
I was gonna be potato. Yeah.
Exactly. Honey, you could name like 30 on the spot.
Because I love meat, so I go for meat.
Hey, vegans, no, meat
Yeah.
is nice. Brendon is guys. What's the score?
That was big.
2, 1, 2 ones. Yeah, you have to come. This is an interesting question. How many celebrities from Shillong can you name? So when I say celebrities, famous people, can be anyone. Can be politician, singer, dancer, writer, actor, influencer, Instagrammer, anyone. Okay, come on, in 30 seconds. Okay, I'll ask this guy first. See how this guy's already thinking fast.
I don't know, 5.
5. Oh, I'm just thinking 6. These guys know their celebrities, not 7. 7 is all.
7 Bogor, yeah.
See, it'll be easy because they're already so famous, so you can name them on the spot.
7-9.
Ooh. Damn! Oh, you have to fight for the
I think you can bring more.
No, but like, what about you a celebrity? That's a 9 from Shillong.
So if you're counting politicians, it has to be a bad number, bro. Come on.
Let him go for it.
Oh, so you're a liar. 9 celebrities. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, Andrew Williams are the most 9 celebrities which belong and name them 30 seconds. Celebrities, if you see this, please share. I need to be famous like you. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'll start with the prettiest one. Andrea Tabiak. Apa dia dengar? She's dia mah.
Starting with you. That's okay.
Orang sama, dia sama, betul sama.
Should have thought this through.
Macam dia.
Oh, one more. Yeah, 8 seconds. Oh, 9. Not perfect, bro. So it's 3, 1.
Impressive.
Now this is the make or break. If you lose this, you're done. This next one, if I
Okay.
yeah. Is that right? It's my maths plus I used to feel in maths also. So what's up 5?
Let's go with your ones.
Oh, this is good. Names of restaurants in Shillong. Restaurants, cafes. Bro, you guys go out and eat all the time. I'm sick of seeing the statuses on WhatsApp.
I go to the same place to eat.
Name the same place 5 times. See, we have the walk in Marak.
Why you naming
Why you naming that?
We're supposed to answer. You're not supposed to answer.
Okay, tell me.
Okay.
How many seconds? Why are you guys going with a small number? Go to big number.
7.
We haven't had a double digit number 7.
Okay, let's start. Yeah.
7.
God, you're a liar, Ida. 7, that's easy, come on. Ready?
Ready?
Guys, you know, even I have faith. You can do this, bro.
Separate restaurants, right?
Anything.
Okay.
Places to eat. Basically, places to eat.
Places
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I'll start off with the walk by Marak, the walk by Brigade, the walk by Shumer, Rivers, Loft, Lami Restaurant, City Hut Dhaba, Bamboo Hut,
Oh, this is
Deja Vu,
9.
Heritage, Jamra Castle, Shillong's Cafe, Dawan's Cafe,
13.
105 Cafe,
14.
Hashtag Cafe.
15. Oh, 15.
Oh, I was about to finish it.
15, bro.
By the way, good food, huh?
2-2. This is the final round.
No, it's 2-3-2.
No, it's 3-2.
It is
Wait
3.
a minute.
Oh no, you did fail in maths. You were Next round, whoever wins. Like, it's kind of like the golden goal in kids now in football.
Golden goal, guys. Golden goal. Golden round.
Final round.
How many Khasi titles or Khasi surnames can you name? 30 seconds. Bro, that's easy. Come on.
First of all, both of us are not coming.
Oof! Double digit finally. But he did 15 in 30 seconds. That was impressive. With the golden round, bro.
11 sounds like a good number. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, you try it. You said 12.
11 is
11.
Shut
11. Okay.
He's playing mind games. He's asking you to try to lose. Good night, man.
This is business.
This is my sweat.
I know, but I did business.
Shut up! Shut up!
You know more than me.
Reverse psychology shit going on. Okay, fine. I'll follow you up. Go for 11.
11.
Yeah.
11 Khasi titles. Khasi surnames. Tijat jadi Khasi mah. In 30 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Linda, Karma, Karwit, Karina, Karnak, Karmitai, Karmamat.
All the cars are coming on.
Car vibes.
Car vibes.
Black, Ina,
Seven.
Nurul,
8. Time.
Hey, good luck. It's okay, bro.
Congratulations!
12 seconds later.
Hi guys, we're back with round 2 now and whoever Hi guys, we're back for round 2 now and whoever wins this round will meet Edamiki Shylla. Edamiki Shylla, you saw, no? He knows his Khasi girls, he knows his Chador stalls, he knows his places. Mau, he knows a lot of Mau. You ever see him in Maulai, don't be surprised. As for Andrew, then he's very lucky. Oh, thank goodness we didn't ask you about Khasi girls. Maybe about Garo girls next time. So. Could be. So yeah, so this is versatile, and versatile is also known as cozy. Everyone, this is Brendon. Brendon. So yeah. We are ready, guys. Okay, So you guys know the rules. You've seen what they did. Names of cars that you find mostly in Shillong. How many can you name?
This is
30
really hard for me
seconds.
because I'm not into cars.
Same here, I'm into cars.
Oh my gosh.
See what you could do.
Please don't say one. We're gonna quit this show. One is too much.
Okay. I'll go with 5.
6.
6.
Okay.
7.
Oh, look at the mic. Yeah, 7. 9.
9 cars, yeah. I could name 9 cars.
Okay, let's try it out.
Oh.
So you're calling me a liar?
Tuzi is calling Brendon a liar. Even I don't think he can name 9. 9, right?
9 cars.
30 seconds. Okay. Timer starts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, Swift, Bolero, Desire, Swift Desire. Oh, it's the same thing. Okay, never mind. Alto K10, Alto 800, I10, I20.
7. 15 seconds.
Honda Civic,
One more. 10
Duster,
seconds. 9.
Quit.
Time.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
nice.
Yep, you got it.
I thought you wanted to quit, but you said quit. I like quit. I like quit. Quit. Renal quit, is it? Yeah.
Quit, yeah, quit.
Yeah.
Quit. Yeah. Quit. Okay. 1-0 to Brendon.
Alright.
Kuzi, you have to come back strong. Okay. This is also super random, but it's a good question, and you can give up big numbers.
Okay.
Things that you find only in a Khasi family picnic. Oof. So when I say it's the same thing, Khasi, Jantia, Garu, we all carry the same thing. So it's not that Khasi will carry an elephant and Garu will carry a bolero. No, just because it rhymes. How many? Okay, Kuzi, how many can you name in 30 seconds? You guys went to picnics just last year, I'm sure, New Year or whatever. But this year.
We were not the ones who carried it.
10 to 11. Oh, that's a big number. But it's
So we're
late.
sticking with 11 nights since he said
Yeah,
11 as the highest number.
You?
Damn, so that means I'll have to go for 12.
Oh, that's a good one.
By my
But it's kind of easy if you get your surroundings right. Come on, we want to see a big number because the most we've had is 15 from Eda. Eda knows his restaurant, so he doesn't eat at home. So
I don't think so I could do it. Let this one
30.
go to go see. Yeah.
how many did you name?
11 things, yeah.
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Stool. Yeah. Alu. Knife. Meat. Mat. Oh my god.
6, 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
I'm pretty bad at this.
Stool. Can you bring a stool?
Yeah, something.
Yeah, some do. Dawan.
You guys let us know in the comment section. Do you carry a stool when you go to picnic?
Not a stool, then Mula at least. You know?
Some don't know. You want to embrace nature, no?
No, some do.
Okay.
But for the grandmoms, I got be.
So it's 2-0.
How are you? I am under the water.
Come back strong.
Please.
Things you'd find only Hakali Udos. Friendska. Oh, there's a lot of
Okay.
things. What do you find Hakali Udos? You guys also let us know. Comment section. Hakali Udos. Typical dos. Go out for a drive, you know. You just san naka? How san naka? Oh, nobody san. Okay, Brendon, how many? 11.
So random,
You
Dawan.
said
Yeah, I didn't. No, I didn't say any numbers.
Okay, I'll start off with 6 things. Yeah.
6.
7.
Oh, he's playing it.
7.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go for 9.
Okay, I'll stop there.
9.
No, yeah, you go
Okay,
first.
so I'll go for
Yeah.
it.
You go first. We want to try.
No, it's fine. You.
9 things.
Yeah.
9 things.
Fancy. Okay.
Cozy thinks Brendon's a liar. Haduk kandai teli. Tiar kali udos.
I don't remember.
9 things kali udos.
Okay.
In 30 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, guys. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. cigarettes, lighters, coiny, sweatshirt, t-shirt, short pant, tissue paper, and then car keys, obviously.
For a second, I thought he was describing a punch.
That was it, guys. So round 2, winner.
Alright, Cruzy, that was awesome. That was an awesome.
Now final. We'll see you.
Nice.
Brendon. Brendon, shock though. Can't go.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening.
Hi guys, this is the final round. These are your winners of the first and second round. First round. So now we have the final round. Okay guys, so we'll twist this up a bit. For the final round, we have 45 seconds. So you can go for bigger numbers. Bigger numbers, yeah. You can go for a double digit now because it's 45 seconds and it's the final. Okay. Okay guys, question 1, you ready?
Yes. Let's get it.
Oh, this is the most random question out of all the questions. How many Khasi words can you name in 30 seconds? In 45 seconds. In 45 seconds. Khasi words. Just Khasi words, bro. Khasi words, bro. You may think silly was stuff, bro, but you can't go for a big number. Okay, Ada, how many?
10.
Oh, so, he knows only 10 Khasi words.
So I'll go with 15.
Oh, first language vibes. First language vibes.
Odd number, 17.
17.
You?
I'll go 20.
Oh, 20. But
Man said 20.
think it through. Look at what Andrew did to you.
Yeah, I know.
It may be very easy. They're just Khasi words. Everybody knows Khasi words, right?
Let him go for 20.
Oh,
20 words.
20 Khasi words in 45 seconds, guys. Yeah. He's Khasi. He should be knowing his Khasi. If he doesn't, then
Okay.
don't be konparang with the dasma.
45 seconds.
Expose him, but you see, you can't just
Alright.
see your language.
Okay.
First language.
Alright.
1,
Ready.
2, 3.
Come, Lele, Lada, P, Shakila, Kane, Kabrathai, Ba, Boon, Kinthai, Pet, Mapi, Shisni, Arsni, Nga, did I say Nga? La, Yo, Da, Iwe. So that was from a Khasi song. I know that is gonna be cheating or not, but yeah, I just
What Khasi song?
named the Kam Lele, Kam Lele.
Schools in Shillong. How many can you name? This one is good. Bro, a lot.
Okay.
Basically, not schools, educational institutions.
Okay.
College, school,
I was a student once.
higher secondary,
name
whatever. Oh, it's a lot of schools, bro. How many can you name it?
I'll go with 10 again.
I'll go 50.
50?
1-5. Yeah,
Oh,
1-5. 50.
Imagine going 150.
Love girl.
15 is still. Oh, 15 is a lot. Yeah.
Oh my
15
god.
is a lot. Okay.
In Shillong, 15.
Not only in Shillong, right, but even in the outskirts of Shillong.
Yeah, you can say that. You can say that.
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
Oh my god.
Basing Meghalaya.
Yeah.
Meghalaya are still tough, bro. 15 is still tough.
16.
Yeah.
He said it with a low pitch voice. He says it with a low pitch voice means
20.
20. Man said 20. It's actually forcing my hand now. 20.
Okay, I'll let them for that too. Sorry guys.
20.
Close it. Ada. 20.
Okay.
30.
So I've got a
20
strategy
schools.
for this more. Yeah.
I feel
Yeah,
like I know what he's gonna do.
I know what he's gonna do. Okay,
Yeah.
let's do that. Okay. In 3,
Okay.
20 ma.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'll start off with the Presbyterian schools of Shillong. Lau Sutan Presbyterian School, Laban Presbyterian School, Langtra Presbyterian School, Langkamai Presbyterian School, Maupram Presbyterian School. Then I'll go off to the St. Edmunds, St. Anthony, St. Peter, St. John's, St. Francis. Okay, then I'll go to the residential schools more. We have James Memorial. We have, oh my god, I forgot. Queenie. Yeah, Queenie, Laban. Then we have St. Anthony's College, St. Edmunds College, St. Mary's College, Loreto Convent. Then we have Pine Mount. Then we have, oh my god, I'm stuck. What else do we have? William Nagar Polytechnic School, Tura Polytechnic School.
Oh my god!
Did I get it?
Did you get it?
Yeah.
I thought it was 19. Was that 19?
20.
Even I lost count. We'll have to check the video for that. So maybe when you edit the video, Dawan, you could like, okay, for 15 seconds we need this most.
I set that 15 seconds.
Alright.
Whenever you're ready. You can't think. 1, 2, 3, go.
BK Bajuria, BSF, Assam Rifles.
Oh my. Man knows his schools, huh?
St. Seven Set, Laban College.
Oh, bro! Right, Laban.
I just wanted to know like how what he knows, man.
Like I said, so I was a student.
That was great. That was awesome, man.
You can name more. What? Tom? Angkai?
Oh,
okay. I need to how many schools means education institutions in Shillong? 100
That is a lot.
I'm also going. Okay. Okay, 2-0 to you, Brendon ma. Okay, this is the last. If he wins, are done. If he doesn't,
golden round. Yeah, you know that's always fun. Yeah.
okay. So we'll make this a golden round. You saying?
I don't know.
Let's see you.
Who can do that? Okay, we'll make this a golden round. Okay. Names of Khasi boys now. Let's do this then. So Khasi names of boys.
Names of boys.
English, African, Chinese, American, Khasi, Jantiagaro.
Okay, names of boys.
Boys. Male. Please don't say 5 feet.
Do it.
Oh, give me that. That's a good prop, see?
This is
Oh, you brought this one like Marak now. Thank you so much, bro. Running all the way. How many names? 10 is like that, you.
25.
Oh, shoot. 25 names.
Oh my god, this is
These mind games, guys. Who do you think will win? Final round. Oh, it's boiling.
Okay, ding ding ding. I'll give it to you then.
you will do that. Wow, this
36
Okay,
45 seconds.
you ready? Names of boys. No casino, Jantiano. Anyone, any name. If that name is not a boy's name, you guys can raise it. Just get anyone. You guys can't just name any random. Whose name? You know?
36 names.
36.
Yeah.
Keep a count. Oh, that's too many. I'll just try again. Okay. In 45 seconds. In 1, 2, 3, go.
Edamiki, Dawan, Cozy, Andrew, Giovanni, Joel, David, Andy, Jonathan, Riwanki, Alexander, Alex, did I say David? David. No time. David, Akshay, Rajesh, Suresh, Ramesh, Rohit, Harshit, Jessica,
20.
Jessica? Wait, is that a guy's name?
Why did I say Jessica? I don't know. I just remember.
Even at first, like,
I
that's a
just
guy's
went to
name.
my default settings, which is girls, because
Hey.
I'm a women, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. I just.
Brendon wins, but
45.
you can just try. 1, 2, 3.
Brendon, Dawan, Amy, Andrew, Cozy, Joel, Noel, Powell, Zoel, Andy, David, Badeng. That could be a Kasi name, right? Guy's name, yeah. Badeng, Balit, Bana, Bahet, Adin, Rishabh, and then Aaron, and then John, Peter, Edmund, Mary. Oh no! Going to the school.
My name is Mary.
Name's Mary.
No, but you will call.
Right, you revert to your default
Yeah.
setting, because we're guys. So you should ask his women's name.
So that was it. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like it, then make sure you like, share, subscribe, and yeah. If you like it, then let us know. We'll make a round 2 maybe with more questions, fun questions. Okay. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. See you.
Hey guys, thanks. Bye.
Okay, that was nice. Just like
I couldn't name more. I went to look.
yeah.